Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss cerebral edema. Cerebral edema can be caused by both vasogenic and cytotoxic cerebral edema. We're going to go ahead and discuss both of these today. The blood-brain barrier is usually maintained by astrocytes. Astrocytes bind to this blood-brain barrier and don't allow certain things in. They do this with tight junctions, so large molecules like albumin and other proteins cannot pass through the blood-brain barrier. However, with vasogenic edema, the plasma or the blood-brain barrier becomes more permeable, thus making it easier for certain molecules such as albumin to get through the capillary. When they do this, they increase their oncotic pressure and increase volume to go into the brain. With cytotoxic cerebral edema, the blood-brain barrier is maintained. The cell is more so where we're going to see the actual swelling occur from a concentration. The concentration of solutes within the cell is maintained by the sodium-potassium pump. This pump moves ions against their concentration gradient and therefore needs energy and oxygen in order to move 3 sodiums outside of the cell and 2 potassiums inside of the cell. Again, this is against the normal gradient of these cells, therefore requires both energy and oxygen in order to do this. In cytotoxic cerebral edema, the cell is lacking oxygen, which can be seen with some stroke patients. If the cell is lacking oxygen, it cannot use the sodium-potassium pump. Therefore, we get ions that move with their gradient and lead to cellular swelling. The sodium is naturally higher outside the cell than it is inside the cell. Therefore, sodium wants to passively move from extracellular to intracellular fluid. Along with that, calcium can increase within the cell and turn on different pathways. These pathways, such as apoptosis, can lead to cell death. Ultimately, the cell swells with cytotoxic cerebral edema due to water passively moving into the cell with sodium due to the process of osmosis and oncosis. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a like if you did, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.